Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get wrenching.
Power and torque parameter are approximate and may vary depending on the model year, installed transmission, measurement method. Engine model ISF 3.8 S3154 on which vehicles it is installed: GAZ 33106, GAZ 3309, buses PAZ 3237 to 2005, PAZ 4230 to 2005 and their modifications. Type 4. Stroke water-cooled turbo diesel engine. Cylinder diameter and piston stroke, millimeter 102 times 115 working volume, L3, 76 compression ratio 17, 2 rated power, kilowatt, HP at crankshaft speed. 2,600 miles N 1112, 152.3, maximum torque, Nm, kgfm, at crankshaft speed 1,200 to 1,900 miles N, 1491, 50.1, minimum steady idle speed. MIN1 maximum idle speed limited by the regulator, MIN1, not more. The Cummins ISF 3.8 has proven itself as a hardy power unit, with a high degree of non-contact and reliability. However, even the most elaborate machinery eventually breaks down and repair is necessary to restore it. Engine troubleshooting. The Cummins ISF 3.8 engine has a good pre-repair life. Scheduled engine maintenance is performed after 500,000 kilometers of mileage. In this case, worn parts, rings, liners, are replaced, cylinder head grinding is performed. Short blocks of ISF series engines have no repair dimensions. In case of wear of the cylinder block, piston group, or crankshaft, the part can be replaced only as an assembly. There is also inline repair, which is performed in case of such signs: increased fuel consumption, loss of power, increased consumption of engine oil, black smoke from the exhaust pipe, engine overheating. If the above signs appear, it is necessary to carry out diagnostics of the main units. The design of the engine is quite simple, so using the engine repair manual, maintenance can be performed at home. Self-diagnostics of the engine. Checking the fuel supply. The engine Cummins ISF 3.8 is equipped with a 3-plunger fuel pump rail, Bosch CR CP3S3L11030789S, with an electromagnetic pressure sensor and a mechanized booster pump built into its housing. The disadvantage of modern fuel equipment: Cummins ISF 3.8 insensitivity to fuel quality. To check the fuel supply, it is necessary: clean the connections from dirt, disconnect the fuel line going from the pump to the fuel accumulator, connect a clean hose to the outlet connection of the fuel injector, the other end of which is lowered into a measuring container. Crank the starter for 30s, measure the amount of fuel in the container. Nominal fuel supply at 125 rpm. 45 ml at 150 rpm. 53 ml flow through the drain. Linate 800 rpm. 317 ml. If the value obtained differs from the nominal value, it is necessary to inspect the fuel line for air clogging. Check the fuel control valve. Adjusting the valves during operation, the valve mounts gradually loosen, resulting in loss of compression. As a result, the valves can fly out of the seats and damage the cylinder head or piston. Therefore, every 15,000 kilometers of mileage it is recommended to adjust the valve clearances. To do this, you will need to perform the following actions: remove the valve cover, disconnect the injectors from the fuel lines, take the fuel ramp aside, unscrew the injectors. It is important to minimize the location of the injectors to set them strictly in their places when reassembling. Set the TDC on the first cylinder. To do this, rotate the crankshaft damper until the hole on it coincides with the hole on the block. Use a feeler gauge to check clearances between the rocker arm and tappet. The clearances are checked according to the motor operation pattern, 1-3-4-2. Nominal clearance when cold, nominal clearance after. Adjustment inlet valve 0.280 to 0.381 mm, 800 0.33 mm, 2950 outlet valve 0.530 to 0.630 mm. 0.58 mm tightening torques 24 Nm. If the clearance differs from the required clearance, loosen the lock nut and adjust it with the adjusting bolt. Clamp the lock nut and recheck the clearance. Tightening the block head fasteners during powertrain operation. The cylinder head is subjected to heat and vibration. Over time, these factors loosen the cylinder head mounting bolts, so it is necessary to tighten them from time to time. According to the Cummins ISF 3.8 repair manual, tighten the bolts in 3 stages with a torque of: first stage, 39.0, 49 andlt, dot, and 0 Nm, 4.0, 5.0 kgfm. Second stage, 98.0, 127.0 Nm, 10.0, 13.0 kgfm. In conclusion, the Cummins ISF 3.8 engine stands out for its robust design and impressive technical characteristics, making it a reliable choice for various applications. Understanding its maintenance requirements and design features is crucial for optimal performance and longevity. Additionally, refining and tuning the engine can enhance its efficiency and power output, allowing users to fully leverage its capabilities. By paying attention to the subtleties and nuances of this power unit, operators can ensure that they maximize its potential while minimizing downtime. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has provided valuable insights into the Cummins ISF 3.8 engine.